Hello students, today is 1st May. We celebrate this day as Maharashtra Day or Maharashtra Din. On this day, we hoist our national flag in our school and celebrate this day with great pomp. Maharashtra is an Indian state located in its western part. The word Maharashtra comes from the word Maha meaning great and Rashtra meaning nation. Mumbai, the capital city of state, is India's largest city and the financial capital of the nation. Marathi is the native language of Maharashtra. Maharashtra is known for Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, who stood against the Mughals who were ruling a large part of India. He created an independent Maratha kingdom with Raigad as its capital. The state of Maharashtra is full of color, glory and grandeur. Maharashtra Day celebrates its formation and its all-over richness amongst all states of India. In 1947, when India became an independent nation, Bombay in western India was a separate state with areas in the existing Maharashtra and Gujarat state. In 1950, Sanyukta Maharashtra Samiti spearheaded the demand for creation of a separate Marathi speaking state out of then bilingual state of Bombay. The demand was in line with pledge. People of Maharashtra fought against it. Government at the center used force to suppress the demand. More than 100 people were killed when the police opened fire at Flora Fountain in Mumbai. At present, it is known as Hutatma Smarak. Finally, Sanyukta Maharashtra Samiti achieved its goal when Maharashtra and Gujarat were declared as separate state with Mumbai as the capital of Maharashtra on 1st May 1960. In Mumbai, the Maharashtra Day celebrations are held at the Shivaji Park in central Mumbai. The governor of the state takes the salute at the ceremonial parade comprising members of the state, reserve police force, home guards, civil defense, fire brigade and city police. On this occasion, several distinguished individuals are also honored for their contributions. Illustrious teachers, police officials, sportsmen, doctors are congratulated for their respective fields. All Maharashtrians, irrespective of their caste, creed, religion or color, are equally excited because it marks the day Maharashtra attained statehood. It was on this day that the state eventually developed into religiously refined, culturally enriched, socially improved, economically powerful and commercially commanding state of India. Thank you.
शिवरायांच्या पदस्पर्शाने पावन झालेल्या महाराष्ट्राचा, तसेच कड्याकपारीने आणि त्यातून वाहणाऱ्या नद्यांनी नटलेल्या महाराष्ट्राचा गौरव करताना मावळ्यांच्या पोलादी मनगटाने मिळवून दिलेल्या स्फूर्तीतून शब्द उमटतात ते हे.
जय जय महाराष्ट्र माझा, गरजा महाराष्ट्र माझा. जय जय महाराष्ट्र माझा, गरजा महाराष्ट्र माझा. भीमा वरदा कृष्ण कोयना भद्रा गोदावरी, एकपणाचे भरती पाणी मातीच्या घागरी. हिमथडीच्या तटालाया गडगडणाऱ्या नभा आसमानाच्या सुलतानीला जबाब देती जिभा सह्याद्रीचा सिंह गर्जतो सह्याद्रीचा सिंह गर्जतो शिवशंभुराजा दरी दरीतून नाद गुंजला महाराष्ट्र माझा जय जय महाराष्ट्र माझा गर्जा महाराष्ट्र माझा काळ्या छातीवरी कोरली अभिमानाची लेणी पोलादी मन गटे खेळती खेळ जीव घेणी दारिद्र्याच्या उन्हात शिजला निढळाच्या घामाने भिजला देश गौरवासाठी झिजला देश गौरवासाठी झिजला दिल्लीचे तख्त की तू महाराष्ट्र माझा जय जय महाराष्ट्र माझा गर्जा महाराष्ट्र माझा जय जय महाराष्ट्र माझा गर्जा महाराष्ट्र माझा गर्जा महाराष्ट्र माझा गर्जा